Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to either allow or not allow physical activity permissions for the health app on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to select the settings gear button on your mobile phone and then tap. And again here at mobile settings, and then you need to scroll down, find and locate this security and privacy, and then tap again. So here at security and privacy, and then you need to scroll down again, and you can see this privacy settings, and then tap again. And then here at privacy, and then you can see this permissions manager, and then click. And here at permissions manager, and then you need to scroll down, find and locate this physical activities. Alright, so once you find this physical activity and then click, and then here now at physical activity, so apps with these permissions can access your physical activity like walking, biking, driving, step count, and more. So you can see this all apps on my mobile settings. So here, you need to select those apps if you want to allow or don't allow permissions. So for example, we need to select this Bixby Voice app and then click. And then we have two options here that if you want to allow or don't allow. And then if you select this don't allow and then click this don't allow anyway. Or you can choose allow with permissions in your mobile settings. Alright, so that's it guys. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on mobile device settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.